So we all know now that the price of ADA is very closely correlated with BTC at this time. That's how a lot of coins are in the market right now. When BTC is going to move up, you're going to see those altcoins move up with it. When the BTC retraces, comes back down, you're going to see those altcoins follow in suit. Well, what we're seeing right now is what something that may indicate a major move for both BTC and ADA. And I want to show you guys what I'm seeing in the charts. Now, as always, this is not financial advice, but what we're seeing right now for BTC is this consolidation. We've come down from that 31K level. We've come back down to about 27K, 26.5. We found very strong support at the 618 level in the Fibonacci retracement. Now, the interesting thing here is while this is playing out, while we're finding good support here, the MACD line is actually making a very bullish move. We are actually about to see the MACD line cross above the signal line, which historically is a very significant bullish move. The last time we saw this happen was actually back in mid-March. Okay, we saw it actually on March 14th, and we see what happened in the BTC charts. We actually went for quite a bit of a run. Okay, BTC actually jumped from about 20K all the way up to 31K, right? A 50% move, which is insanely bullish. We are now seeing the same kind of crossover now with this MACD line. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to go on a big move to the upside or anything like that. I wouldn't be surprised if we push somewhere into like that 33 to 35K level. That would be a nice, strong move to the upside for BTC. You have to look at all these indicators together. There's a lot of stuff that correlates. Now, the interesting thing is here, when we look at the ADA chart, we are seeing this exact same thing play out. Geez, I need to apparently just get TradingView, the full version, guys. So we've seen this retracement down to this 382 level. Obviously, ADA being an altcoin, it's going to have more volatility. It's not been around as long as BTC. We've seen this full retracement down to this 382 level, and it's shown strong support around these levels. Now, the interesting thing is it's continued to follow this ascending channel that we've had since early this year, and it hasn't really broken below it yet. Broken below it. And at the same time, while this chart is playing out this way, we're seeing this same cross on the MACD line. Okay, we're seeing the MACD cross above the signal line in the same way that we saw again back in the middle of March. And again, when we look at the price of ADA at that point, we saw it went on another 50% run. If this continues to play out the same way, we may see ADA push that 50-cent mark, may push the top of this channel, and it may happen sometime in the near term. Now, again, this is not financial advice. If the market weakens, if we see this continue to drop, we may continue to move to the downside. If that does happen, ADA could probably retrace back to about the 34-cent level, BTC back down to about the 24 level, 25, 24. That'd be the 5.0 level and the 382. So what does this all mean? This all means that right now the charts are in fact looking bullish. It's going to come down to a couple of things. Obviously, we've talked about the debt ceiling. We talked about the need for them to fix that issue that's been going on, and they're likely going to do so. I highly doubt that the U.S. government is going to default on their debt. I don't know if that's ever happened. I'd probably have to look back and see, but that would be not necessarily catastrophic, but it would be a very negative thing for the U.S. economy. So we got to obviously just be patient, see how this all plays out. They're talking about this needs to be done by the end of the month. And at that same time, it truly seems like we are going to get some sort of movement for both BTC and ADA by that time. So I thought I'd share that with you guys. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you think that ADA is going to move to the upside or if you think we still have some rough times ahead. But I appreciate you guys. I hope you have a great day. Show your love below if you haven't already. And I hope to catch you guys in the next one. Take care.